Hi, Tom Snow here again. And in this next series of videos, I'm going to discuss some of the ins and outs of Vidnami, some of the great features. We did a Vidnami example in secret number 2. We did that for survival gear, especially knives. We'll go back to that. We're going to look at that, and we'll look at some others. Okay, so in the past, I've told you that you don't have to show your face and you don't have to use your voice. And not showing your face is great, but what if you do want to use your voice? What if you want voice applied to the video? Yours or you can have computer voices. Let's take a look. We're going to take a look at that today. So we're back to our buck knife demo. Same one we've been working on. Let's get over here to voice. And it starts with no track or no voice music only. You can look at auto voices. And these are the computer generated ones. So let's just take a look for grins.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay, so Heidi's not bad. And you've got USA, United Kingdom, Australia. Let's do Anna.
Hi, my name is Anna and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay, so we can go through here. Let's do Luke.
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Let's do a United Kingdom for grins.
Hi, my name is Kate and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
And let's do Australia just for grins.
Hi, my name is Harper and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
So, let's just say, let's go back with the original Heidi, and let's preview our video with Heidi. I'm going to tell you, while it's generating, why this can be very important. The first thing is that, we were talking about keeping people's attention, focusing on the images, focusing on the words as they come on the screen, but even can be better is if they have an audio view of, who's talking. So let's take a little look here. Let's do... If you notice the manually adjusted timing that we did, it went back to 38 seconds. Now the reason is that it did that was because it's now adjusting it to the length of the words of the person speaking it. We can always go back under manual adjustment of the timing, and we can go in and do that. But let's just take a look and see what happens. So here's now not only the scene, but you now see like the audio in that. Let's just play it, see what happens.
If you're an outdoor enthusiast, then you know that there are many tools that you need when fishing, camping, or hunting. Proper clothes, a compass, and a flashlight. These are some of the most basic items that you might take. However, one of the most important tools for the outdoors is a knife. In fact, your knife may be the most essential tool you have. Splitting firewood, preparing food, and first aid. So, get a buck knife. Trusted since 1902.
Now, how cool is that? Look at the amount of life that's brought into that video. It's not just pictures and words, but you're hearing it. So you have 3 different areas of sensation going on for your brain. Super powerful. Let's go back to voice. And like I said, you could play it you could choose any of the different automated voices that are there. It says you can upload a voice track, so you could pre-record one and upload it. But this last one is really super powerful if you don't mind your own voice. I just want you to see what happens. So, Vidnami wants to use my microphone. Sure. Okay. Now, this is so cool. Look at the little mic going up and down. It says there's 17 of 17 sentences left to record. So, just watch as I record all 17 scenes. I can actually pause in between, but let me start here. I'm going to record. It'll count down. 3, 2, 1. I start to record, then I can stop. And it lets me record one scene at a time and re-record it if I need to. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, and let's say I want to even be more emphasis than that, let's re-record it. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, so say I'm doing one at a time. When I'm done, next, record. Then you know there are many tools that you need. Just keep recording. When fishing, camping, or hunting. Proper clothes, a compass, and a flashlight. These are some of the most basic items you might take. However, one of the most important tools for the outdoors is a knife. In fact, your knife may be the most essential tool you have. Splitting firewood, preparing food, and first aid. So, get a buck knife, trusted since 1902. Now notice, it counted down all those sentences for each scene. It let me record it. I could play it and re-record it. But look how quick I got a video. My voice track over the video. Try doing that with uploading a voice track. I don't know how that makes sense. This is such a neat interface that you can create. You can see each scene, you speak to the scene, you can correct it until you're happy. We'll preview the video, we'll download the video, but it is so neat. Now, if you don't love your voice, maybe you have a friend who they have a voice that you want their voice. Computer automated voices are fine, probably better than nothing. Depends on what your goal is. But if you think about this, it's just so powerful. Remember, we're always trying to get your audience engaged. I'll preview the video. And watching a computer work is like watching paint dry sometimes. Maybe watching water boil. Water boiling's okay. There we go. Now notice, this time instead of being 39 seconds long, it's 1 minute and 1 second long. Because I took the time to emphasize it wasn't Heidi's voice, right? So let's just play it. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, then you know there are many tools that you need. When fishing, camping, or hunting. Proper clothes, a compass, and a flashlight. These are some of the most basic items you might take. However, one of the most important tools for the outdoors is a knife. In fact, your knife may be the most essential tool you have. Splitting firewood, preparing food, and first aid. So, get a buck knife, trusted since 1902. Now, how cool is that? How cool is that? Okay, we're going to finish the, we'll go ahead and actually download it, and we will take a look at the finished video. I know we saw it there, but now we get to see with all the changes, all the effects, all the things we've done. I hope you can see the power of Vidnami. It is amazing. So great. And you can do these things in a matter of minutes. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, then you know there are many tools that you need. When fishing, camping, or hunting. Proper clothes, a compass, and a flashlight. These are some of the most basic items you might take. However, one of the most important tools for the outdoors is a knife. In fact, your knife may be the most essential tool you have. Splitting firewood, preparing food, and first aid. So, get a buck knife, trusted since 1902. So today we scratched the surface on what Vidnami can do. We're just looking at the basics. We're going to spend other days and other videos reviewing some of the finer details. This is exciting stuff that you can create wonderful, amazing videos. And you saw that. Like, how great is that you can create a video like that in a matter of minutes? I mean, most other software takes you hours and usually days. You don't have to put your face in there. You don't have to have your voice in there. You can create what you want. Okay, well, thanks for being here today. Be sure to click on my subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming videos that are released. To your success.